The absolute worst thing that you can do with your money is just let it sit in a bank. What a lot of people don't realize about banks is that most of them are actually pretty broke. You see, they only have to keep about 10% of whatever the deposits are at that bank. So between yours and my deposit, they only have to keep 10% of it. They are able to lend out the rest of those funds. In fact, they sometimes go into debt trying to lend out funds, and they borrow from other banks or they borrow from the Federal Reserve. The way that the bank makes money is actually through interest on products, which is why if you go into a bank and you're just trying to make a deposit, you're going to get hit up for a credit card. You're going to get hit up for an auto loan, because that is how they make their money. That is how they keep their lights on. At the end of the day, a bank is a business much like anything else is. Here is where most people get it wrong about banks. The bank itself is offering you a very minimal return on your investment because they're trying to keep as much of the cash possible so that they can go lend it. They don't want to pay you a return on the savings account that you have with them. They're going to pay you like 3% versus if you go put in a retirement fund, you would get probably closer to 8 or 10%. With that being said, I implore people, if you have funds that you're trying to save for retirement, go invest it into something else. I just personally think that it's a much smarter idea to take control of your finances than to let a bank make decisions for you where you don't know what their motives are. At the end of the day, they're gambling with your money.